Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna be doing a look with this Karity Picante palette and I'm so excited. Their shadows are always so just amazing. They're very pigmented, they're very easily to blend out, and they're just really gorgeous. I've missed y'all. I just want to start by saying that. I've not got to film in a really long time and it's really depressing. It is. My neck has gotten to the point where I'm in chronic pain 24/7 and it's really hard to get anything done. So with what force or energy or whatever you want to call it I've been using that to, you know, take care of the girls and clean house and spend time with my husband. And when I'm not doing that, I'm honestly laying down because it hurts not to, which has actually gotten to the point where even laying down doesn't give me relief. But I go for my first radio frequency July the 3rd and then my second one July 24th. So after that I will get back to filming on a normal basis. And yeah, please stick with me till the end and I'll film in between as much as I can. It's just really tough right now. But yeah, we're just gonna jump into this. Look down below. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, please. It means everything to me. And if you notice, I look patchy right here. The bronzer that I used was horrible. It was the NARS bronzing powder in Laguna, and like it didn't want to come off. So like when I was doing my brush on my face, like there was no product on my brush, so I was literally just wiping what makeup I had off. I was like, I don't have time to do this or redo it before my daughter wakes up, so we're just gonna roll with it, okay? So just don't look right there. So we're just gonna jump into this now. Sorry for the super long intro. Okay, to start out, I'm gonna go in with the shade Delia. I'm guessing I'm saying that right. I'm just gonna point from now on. Going in with that shade. I'm so excited. Today's Monday. Next Monday, I actually have a hair appointment and I'm gonna be going back blonde. I'm so excited. And this weekend, we're going to a family reunion and I'm so excited, and I'm just praying my neck will allow me to have a good time because it has really gotten depressing. My depression has gotten worse because of it, and my anxiety, and my husband can tell because like when we first bought our house and moved in, I was cleaning 24/7 and kept everything completely spotless. Everything was in its place. And now it just takes everything. I have to wash the dishes or fold a load of laundry. Like it's just, I'm not me. I'm ready to be more productive. Anyways, these shadows are amazing. I have their Just Peachy palette, which they don't sell anymore. At least I didn't see it on the website, and I love it. So super excited when I ordered this. I'm so ready to be able to film more for y'all because when I sit down and film, like it just makes me so happy. Next, I'm going in with that shade right there. And I'm just placing that in the outer corner. Building it up and then blending it over in the crease. I hope y'all can tell just how easily these are blended out. I think the next look I do, I'm gonna play around with color. I don't normally do that. It normally frightens me, but I've just been inspired lately to step out of my comfort zone and I just want to be more creative. And it's summertime, so I mean, I gotta have some bright looks, right? Now I'm gonna go in with Spicy, which is that color right there. And add that to the outer corner. I'm just gonna pack it on there. And then I'm just softly blending out those edges and adding a little bit more. I have a method to my madness. No, I'm just kidding, but for real. We're just keeping it focused from here back, not going all the way up. I hope that makes sense. All right, now we're just going to softly blend. Just want to make sure it's good and blended, but they blend out so easily, like it doesn't take much effort. I'm gonna go in with Bittersweet, which is that color right there. And I'm gonna go in and work that in the outer corner. Deepen it up a little bit. Not doing too much, just want to add a little bit of depth to that red. And this is like a very like maroonish type chocolatey brown, so it's perfect for that red color that I put on. Yeah, I just feel like they blend together so perfectly. I'm gonna go back in with that first shade, Delia, however you pronounce it, I don't know. And blend. Make sure it all comes together. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Fearless. And I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Alright, just using that same brush that I started using at the beginning and just blending those two colors together, or all that together, however you want to put it. No extra product. I'm going to go in with Embers, which is that yellowish shade right there, and it is so pretty. I used it in a look the other day in my inner corner and it was just so pretty. I'm gonna put some on my brush and then I'm gonna spray it. And then I'm gonna put it on my lid. Oh, it is so pretty, y'all. If y'all have thought about getting this palette, do it. It is amazing. And I bought a couple of their liquid lipsticks and they're definitely worth the hype. They stay on forever. And they're just so beautiful and they don't dry down, and I'm gonna do a full face soon and I will use them so you can see. I've been wanting to use Sass. Oh, it is such a pretty purple, so I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner just to give us a little pop of color. I don't even know if this is gonna look good together, but we're gonna figure it out because it is so pretty. And here lately I've been loving whatever color I put on the inner corner, kind of bringing it up just a little bit. Which this one's not really wanting to show over those colors, but that's okay. It's still pretty in this inner corner. I'm gonna do a couple of swatches for y'all. This is Bronzed like, hello. This is Flora. I mean, they're amazing. This is Fahrenheit. I haven't even swatched this one yet. I mean, come on now. They're beautiful. They're so beautiful. Anyways, I am gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera real quick, which is just my setting spray, my mascara, my eyeliner, and my lip gloss, and I will be right back. So this is what the look looks like with my lip gloss and mascara and everything, and I am digging it. I kind of wish I was going on a date with my husband, but I'm just going to the gym. Anyways, yeah, so like I said, if you have thought about getting this palette, I highly recommend it. It is really, really, really awesome. And yeah, I guess that's it. I don't know. Anyways, I really hope everybody is enjoying their summer. I hope everybody has a great week, and yeah, I will see y'all soon. I hope. I really do miss y'all, and I'm really sorry. I hope things can go back to normal next month once I get my neck fixed. I'm so ready because I have so many videos that I want to film and so much stuff I want to talk to y'all about. And yeah, anyways, before we are done and wrap it up, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out more than you realize, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles.